Good day, Philippines. It's me, Mara. And it's me, Krista. And you are watching BA News Today. And here's our headline for today. China lowered tariffs on 1,010 imported goods in 2024 in line with market reports. China to implement agreed tariff rates on Philippines imports after Philippines joining RCEP. Biden administration UK begin tariff talks as he seeks to ease UK tariffs. And for our first headline, China lowered tariffs on 1,010 imported goods in 2024 in line with market reports. Reporting from China with Bubbles and Michelle. Bubbles and Michelle, can they update us about this China lowering tariffs?
Yes, Mara. China will adjust import and export tariffs on selected goods in 2024 in a bid to support high-quality development and opening up and accelerate the building of innovation patterns, according to the announcement of the Custom Tariff Commission of the State Council on adjusting the tariffs in 2024. The following changes are noteworthy. Reducing import tariffs is conducive to encouraging the domestic advanced manufacturing industry to introduce more advanced materials, resources, and equipment. In particular, the reduction of import tariffs on resources such as lithium fluoride, low arsenic fluoride, and gas diffusion layers for fuel cells will help improve the availability of these key raw materials, thereby boosting the development of related industries. This also reflects the government's support for clean energy and environmentally friendly technologies, which is conducive to promoting economic development in a more sustainable direction.
Following China's 2023 Central Economic Work Conference or CEWC, an annual meeting of China's top leadership to set out the economic agenda for the next year. In 2024, China will continue to expand domestic consumption and attract foreign capital to boost its economic growth. An optimized tariff system is beneficial to both. In general, the 2024 tariff adjustment reflects the country's intention to secure its industrial and supply chain. They also aim to reallocate resources to promote technology innovation, industrial upgrades, and green development, and it helped boost China's participation in the restructuring of the global industrial chain and global free trade network. The 2024 tariff adjustment could affect companies that import and export taxable goods and services to China. Foreign stakeholders should pay attention to these changes to better tap into China's growing consumer markets.
I am Bubbles Arayas, reporting from BA News Today.
Thank you, Bubbles and Michelle. Meanwhile, in other headlines, China to implement agreed tariff rates in Philippines imports after Philippines joining RCEP. We have Bellison and Baguio. Bellison and Baguio, kindly give us the details.
Thank you, Crystal. China implemented a tariff rate on Philippine imports after joining RCEP. This move by China can foster a greater sense of economic interdependence between the two nations. As trade volume increase, so does the need for cooperation in other areas, such as infrastructure development, technology transfer, and investment. These areas of collaboration have the potential to further deepen the economic ties between China and the Philippines, leading to mutual benefits in terms of economic growth and development. However, it is crucial for both countries to ensure that this trade relationship is built on the principles of fairness and reciprocity. While the implementation of agreed tariff rates on Philippine imports by China represents a positive step, it is equally important for the Philippines to secure fair market access for its products in the Chinese market.
Addressing non-tariff barriers and promoting a level playing field for business from both countries will be critical for sustaining a healthy and balanced trade relationship. The decision of China to implement agreed tariff rates on Philippines' importance after the Philippines joining the RCEP holds great significance for trade dynamics between the two nations. By taking this step, China seeks to defend its economic ties with the Philippines and expand its market access. While the Philippines can benefit from increased trade volumes and preferential tariffs in the Chinese market. However, maintaining fairness and reciprocity in this relationship will be crucial for long-term and sustainability and mutually beneficial outcomes. Overall, this development emphasizes the changing dynamics of global trade and the importance of regional economic integration in fostering growth and development. I am
This is
Marjun
Ronald
Baguio
Mesa
reporting
from BA News Today.
Thank you, Bellison and Marjun. And for our last news for today, Biden administration UK begin tariff talks as he seeks to ease UK tariffs. We have Marcus and Ray. Ray and Marcus, can you tell us about this?
Thank you, Mara. The Biden administration's initiation of tariff talks and its commitment to easing UK tariffs carry significant implication for both nations. For the United Kingdom, a reduction in tariffs would enhance the competitiveness of its exports to the US, bolstering economic growth and creating new opportunities for British businesses to expand their operations across the Atlantic. On the other hand, the United States stands to benefit from increased access to British goods, diversifying its import sources and enhancing consumer choices for American citizens.
As the Biden administration seeks to ease United Kingdom tariffs, the initiation of tariff talks between the two nations marks a promising development in their trade relationship. By prioritizing diplomacy and multilateral engagement, President Biden exemplifies an exclusive approach to international trade, aiming to foster mutually beneficial ties with traditional allies. The progress achieved through these talks holds the potential to reinvigorate economies on both sides of the Atlantic, presenting the optimistic outlook for the future of UK-US trade relations.
I am Gary
Marcus
Banyada,
Barday.
back to studio.
And that is our latest news for today. I'm Crystal Anblance. I am May Ana Rosa Mogis, bringing you the latest and the hottest topic only here on BA News Today.